Hello everyone. In this course, we will learn about concrete as a structure material, its properties, behavior, and other factors which affects its strength. And then we will learn more about the basics of reinforced concrete. Well, the course is divided into two sections. Uh, First two units belong to section A, and in the first unit we will learn about the concrete, its ingredients, properties of all the ingredients, cement, its manufacturing, its properties, types of tests that is being conducted on cement to ensure the quality. Similarly for aggregates, their characteristics, tests on aggregates, etc. And we will also learn about quality of water used in concrete and also admixtures which enhance the property of concrete in a certain manner. In Unit 2, we will learn more about the properties of concrete in fresh state and in hardened state. In fresh state, properties such as workability, flowability, bleeding, and segregations will be discussed in details. And measurement of workability, factors affecting workability will also be discussed. One major factor which affect strength of concrete, that is water cement ratio, will also be discussed. Then we will discuss property of concrete in hardened state, which majorly is strength of concrete, and role of admixtures, strength determination of concrete. We will also understand the difference between nominal and design mix, and at last we will discuss durability of concrete. And then in section B, we will discuss about the concept of reinforced concrete. And in Unit 3, we will learn more about the design philosophy of reinforced concrete, various design methods used in RC design, role of modular ratio, concept of design, sections, concept of design sections such as under reinforced, over reinforced, and balance sections. And we will also use scientific relations to calculate the strength of reinforced concrete elements, primarily the flexural member, that is beam. And then we will understand the concept of singly reinforced beam, and we will design and analyze the singly reinforced beam as per Indian Standard Code of Practice. Then in Unit 4, we will learn about the concept of doubly reinforced beam, its need and comparison with singly reinforced beam. We will also learn more about the concept of shear force, design beam for shear force. We will also understand the significance of bond in reinforced concrete. So this is the content of the course, and I hope we will learn about this new material concrete with more enthusiasm. For this course, there are two books that I recommend you to follow. For section A, that is concrete technology, well, book by MS Shetty, I think it will be sufficient for you. You will get all the contents related to section A. Then for the section B, the book by Professor Harbhajan Singh, this will be enough. And you will get all the content that is required for this semester. In the next part, we will start our first lecture of this course. Thank you.